WingIts BridgeBind technology is so revolutionary, it's patented. We start by cutting our product from 18/8 stainless steel tubing. Holes are drilled through the tubing, and structural stainless steel pins are inserted. Following the drilling process, the pins converge through the stainless steel tubing to begin the fusion of BridgeBind. The protruding tips are then heliarc welded, which fuses the pin and bridge together into one piece, creating the ultimate structural bond. Our BridgeBind process is followed by our industry-exclusive tri-linear buff technology, which polishes our products into a mirror-like finish. Once the product is buffed, it is assembled. Two stainless steel standoffs glide into position over the stainless steel pins and are locked into place with a set screw. From our BridgeBind process until the product's final installation, the sleek design and structural integrity of WingIts products perfects both aesthetic and durability right down to the last detail. WingIts, the fusion of sleek design and superior structure.